Hello everyone. Let's make some fun little map animation, kind of like Uber. I've placed an image of a map, just a random screenshot from Google Map, and added two car icons, and I'm placing them along with the road. Now I'll duplicate the frame and move the car slightly forward. That's it. That's all you need to do. Next, head over to the prototype section and connect the frames and set the trigger to after delay. Keep it 800 milliseconds and select smart animation. Set the duration to 1300 to 1400. Let's preview it. And there you go. The cars are moving. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful.